There is an alternative to generated code, which is a tool called Lombok. We have the question of, well, if we can use Lombok, doesn't it make records pointless? So let's have a look at an example here. So we've got a person, we've called it person with Lombok. This has got a name and an age. And if you look here, there's no other real boilerplate. The only thing we've got is the @value, which declares it as a kind of read-only data carrier. Now with the @value annotation, you get an equals method, you get a hashcode method, you get a toString method, you get getters, and you get a constructor, Java Bean. I think you'll agree that it's pretty great in terms of how it can simplify your class and reduce your boilerplate. The other big advantage is that it auto-updates. So if I add a field to this class or remove a field, I don't need to remember to update my toString or my hashcode method. It's taken care of automatically. So that's a big win over IDE generated code. But it's not a completely free lunch because you do need to pull in an additional dependency for Lombok to work. So the question is, does Lombok really have any advantages over records? Well, you have a little bit more control over things with Lombok. For example, you can hide certain fields. You can control how an instance is created using a builder or a static factory method. So do records have any advantages over Lombok? Well, the first big thing is that they are baked into the language, so you don't have any external requirements. So I think you'll agree that despite code generation and despite Lombok, records are still an excellent feature.